How to change the till roll on a Sharp XEA203. When the till roll needs changing, the display will show paper empty. Simply remove the printer cover. Take a new thermal roll. A thermal roll has two sides to it, a dull side and a shiny side. The shiny side needs to be forward and facing you. Lift the green lever and the printer cover will open. Place the roll into the machine with the shiny side facing you. Close the lid and click down into position. The machine will now display head up. To clear this, simply press the CL button. Replace the printer cover, feeding the roll through the gap with the serrated edges on. The machine is now ready to use. Thermal rolls are available from shopstuff.co.uk. The alternative way that a Sharp 203 can be used is, rather than giving receipts, is to put the roll onto a take-up spool, otherwise known as a journal roll. To complete this, simply remove the printer cover. Take your journal roll holder and unclip the end disc. Fold the roll over and slide into these on here. A couple of turns and put the end disc back on. Position with the cog on the right hand side. Take up the slag and that is now fitted and working as a journal roll. This till and rolls are available from shopstuff.co.uk.